So here's a painting that I painted before today, about a year ago, and here is the photograph that I painted it from. So the first thing I'll say is they are not the same. Can you see the differences? Here's the photo, here's the painting. I know it's flashing out here. Photo, painting. The photo has boats in it. The painting does not. The photo has different clouds, a different land right here. It's not exactly the same. Okay? And that's okay. But how did I match the colors? How did I match the colors? Well, what I did is I had this printed out. So for me, I put a transparency on it. And then I was able to take my paint, and so I would mix like my sky paint, and then I just put a little bit of the paint on the transparency, not on the photo. See, it's just on the transparency. Okay, and then I was able to see if that matched, which for me it matched pretty good. This little paint spot here did not match, so I had to go back and paint over it, mix in some more white until I got the color that I wanted. Same in here. I was trying to mix this black. I didn't have black. I had just red, yellow, and blue. And so I had to keep mixing the paint and keep dabbing it on there with the photo underneath. Now, we don't have a printed out photo, but we do have a transparency, right? Okay, so with our transparency, I'm going to show you how to do that. So just one sec. So if I've chosen this as my painting to work on, okay, or any painting that you have, or any photograph, I should say, that you have on your screen, I can just take my transparency and just put it in front of the screen. Here's the transparency. And when I'm mixing my paint, I can just dab it on the transparency while I'm holding it up to the photograph. Okay, and then I can match it and say, oh gosh, like the sky here is really blue gray, at least the way I see it. It's kind of actually purpley gray. And so as I'm mixing, if my gray is not dark enough, I can put a little dot there and go, oh, I need to mix more. And so I'll go and mix more and then put another little dot until I get the correct hue or color that I need. Okay? So that transparency is a tool to helping us match our colors from the photograph to our painting.